Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sushi salmon. First, selecting the right salmon is crucial for both taste and safety. Always opt for fresh, vibrant, sushi-grade salmon. Look for firm flesh, a clean, bright appearance, and a very mild, fresh scent. Avoid any fish that looks dull, has discoloration, or a strong, unpleasant odor. This ensures the best quality for your homemade sushi. Once you have your high-quality salmon, it's time for preparation. Begin by carefully removing the skin using a sharp knife, then feel for and extract any tiny pin bones with tweezers. Next, slice the salmon against the grain into thin, uniform pieces, about 1/4 of an inch thick. A very sharp, long knife is essential here for clean, precise cuts, ensuring a beautiful presentation. Perfect sushi isn't just about the fish. The rice is equally important. Rinse your short-grain sushi rice thoroughly under cold water until the water runs completely clear. Cook it according to package directions. Then gently fold in a sushi vinegar mixture of rice vinegar, a small amount of sugar, and salt. Allow the seasoned rice to cool to body temperature before you begin assembling your sushi. Now for the exciting part, assembling your sushi. Lightly moisten your hands with water to prevent the sticky rice from adhering. Gently form small, oval-shaped rice mounds for nigiri or prepare your rolls. Place a salmon slice neatly on top of each rice mound. Serve your freshly made sushi immediately with a side of soy sauce and a dab of wasabi for an authentic and delicious experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.